Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on pallet jack safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Pallet jacks, also known as pallet trucks, make it easier to move, load, and unload heavy materials. Pallet jacks can be manual, where they use a hydraulic system to lift up the pallets, or they can be electrical, where they use a battery-powered system to both lift up the pallets and move the jack. In order to avoid injuries caused by using pallet jacks, we'll discuss what to do before use, operations of the pallet jack, and how to use an electrical pallet jack safely. In order to use the pallet jack safely, there are things you'll need to inspect and look for before you use it. Before you use the pallet jack, be sure you know how to use the pallet jack. Inspect the pallet jack and tires. If they are unevenly worn, the machine will not carry the load evenly, and it will increase the possibility of having the load tip or fall. Wear the proper personal protective equipment. Steel-toed boots protect your toes from getting crushed by the pallets or pallet jack. Gloves prevent blisters and help you maintain a good grip on the controls. Safety glasses protect eyes, especially when you're moving chemicals or materials that could cause a hazard if spilled. Secure the load to the forks of the pallet jack. Wrap tape, bungee cords, or banding around the load and the forks. Never exceed a pallet jack's load capacity. Make sure the load is in the center of the fork so the jack does not tip. Make sure the route you are taking is free and clear from hazards and uneven surfaces before you begin to move your load. Make sure the work area is set up to protect exposure from moving vehicles. Now, when it comes to the operation of the pallet jack, there are some simple guidelines to keep in mind that will help you stay safe. Here are some tips to safely operate a standard pallet jack. Never place any part of your body in the lifting mechanism or under the load. Never carry passengers.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.